What's up? Andy T here with ShutterReleaseWorld.com, and today we're going over a feature that's a game changer for photographers of all levels, and that's the AEAF Lock. But what is this mysterious button, and how can it transform your photography? Well, buckle up, because we're going to unlock the magic of this button. First, let's break down the basics. AEAF Lock, as you might have guessed, stands for auto exposure and autofocus. Think of it as your camera's secret weapon, locking in that perfect focus and exposure no matter what challenges you face. Picture this. You're trying to capture a fast-moving subject, or you're in an area with complex lighting. Now, normally, your camera settings would be all over the place, making it difficult to get that crisp, well-exposed shot. This is where AEAF Lock becomes your best friend. By locking in your settings, you can recompose your shot without losing the golden settings you've just nailed. So how do you use this magical button? It's simpler than you think. Set your desired exposure and focus on your subject. Then press and hold the AEAF Lock button. This locks your settings, allowing you to recompose and capture the photo. To release the lock, simply let go of the button or change your camera settings. Let's put this into practice. Here, I'm focusing and setting my exposure, holding down the AEAF Lock, and there you have it, the perfect shot every time. So let's talk about why many photographers like you should be using AEAF Lock. Whether it's capturing moving subjects with clarity, managing high contrast scenes, or maintaining consistent settings, this button can be a lifesaver. It's especially beneficial for beginners looking to elevate their photography skills. Now, there are certain situations when you should be using this feature. Use it when shooting panoramic landscapes or fast-paced sporting events, or in situations where you're shooting in challenging lighting. AEAF Lock is your go-to tool. It ensures sharp shots in your panoramas, reduced motion blur in action shots, and balances exposure in difficult lighting conditions. AEAF Lock isn't just a feature. It's a revolution in how you capture moments. It's about seizing control and achieving perfection in every shot. So next time you're out with your camera, try out this powerful tool. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Share your experiences in the comments below. Happy snapping, and I'll see you in the next video.